Now, this conditional block happens to be inside a function, but it can also be outside a function, such as this. And let's say 3 greater than 1, print greater, else print not greater, and you'll get greater. What a conditional block checks is actually checks if this is true. So true is actually another type in Python, just like integers and lists and strings. True is another type. So that is actually the equivalent of if true, print greater, else print not greater. So true is always true. Similarly, type 3, for example, equals to int, will return true. So that's what we're doing here as well. However, there is another way which is considered better in Python to use isInstance. isInstance value, and you want to check for dictionaries here, like that. Execute, and you're going to get the same output. So isInstance 3 int will get you the same output. You can use either one, but for some advanced reasons, which I'm not going to explain right now because it's out of the context at this point of the course, it's better to use isInstance. Now, you saw this example where I used if 3 is greater than 1, and I printed out greater and not greater. So we could also have these 3 cases, like 3 is greater than 1, 3 is equal to 1, and 3 is less than 1. In that case, if and else is not enough. We need something else. And I'm going to show you how we can do that in the next video.